we're going to show you how we patched up this Potomac pawpaw tree. She was split right down the middle after we chopped down a larger tree above her, and unfortunately that tree landed right on our Potomac, split her down the middle, and we patched her back together. We'll know how well this patch works next spring. Subscribe to our channel, follow that girl. Welcome to Happy.
Hey, wait.
Okay, well, we're gonna find out just how resilient pawpaw trees are. This is a Peterson pawpaw. It's a Potomac. We just cut down a tree above her, and unfortunately my cut brought the tree over the pawpaw down onto the pawpaw and split her. We're gonna tape it up using green, the landscaping tape, and also some electrical tape. Electrical tape's really cool, gives you a little stretching action and tightening. Just a full-blown split. There's the rest of the tree, and look how beautiful she is. Nice 3 branches coming out of her. You know how I like that, branches kind of spreading out. Yep, Maria's looking at those 3. We have the cambium layer or bark layer or whatever still attached, so this is going to be a big plus. Let's see what happens.
They just like killing each other.
I did. Okay, now, ¿dónde está agua?
Sí, es.
Oh, ¿otro agua?
Okay.
Oh, girl. Oh, man. Okay, this is a really good idea. We're going to do a couple of rolls of electrical tape to see if we can hold her in place.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I guess I can help. Okay, hold her steady. Oh, this has just gone right back into place. Oh. Everything is wet, so that's not going to help.
This is a good place to hold it because it's almost.
I'm thinking we got to go from the bottom up to take out all that slack. Thank you. Perfect. About time you figured it out. Okay. And once you wrap the tape over the black tape, roll your finger up. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Work it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Good. Yep. Okay. Why is this making me hungry? She's not folding up real good, but yeah, this.
But I think it doesn't have to be perfect.
Right.
I will give it one here. I'm doing it tight.
Yep.
Yeah.
Tight. Pull, 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 pull. Tight.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Good, good, good. And wrap on the tape, not on the wood, because the wood's wet.
Got it.
Okay. Cut it. Nope. Not the whole roll. Just give it a good stretch.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you got to catch the tape,
Yeah.
because it's electrical tape on electrical tape. That gives you, it will stick to itself.
Okay.
Yep. Oh boy, payback. Now at some point in time, we got to take this tape off, because I think it'll even like restrict. Boy, I bet she's gonna do fantastic.
I think think so too. I would like one more
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, she needs a little more. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it don't stick to the wood at all. You gotta, and that part, just to catch the tape, is the hardest part. Once you catch it, keep stretching. Once you catch the tape, then you got something to grip onto. Okay, and the last thing we're gonna do is what? The second to last thing.
I would put green tape all over.
Yeah, that's kind of interesting. But before that, can we spray some pruning salve in here?
That's a great idea.
So we're gonna spray some pruning salve in here. I call it pruning salve, pruning, whatever the hell it's called.
What is this going to do? What is this going to do?
Well, this, let me guess, pop quiz. It reduces evaporation, risk of disease, creates a seal. All you're doing is sealing. And see, this shit's so thick, don't really, so I kind of work it anyways, you know what I'm saying?
What
We'll
about
have to-
here?
What we will have to do is, oh, that's brilliant. So Maria pointed out to get it up in the saddle in here. That's absolutely critical because this is where the moisture's coming in from, right? So we totally need to fill up that saddle. I wouldn't be surprised if she didn't miss a beat. I don't think she needs much of anything more except a decent pruning. So what we're gonna do now,
Really?
oh yeah,
Why?
well, because this limb is not really a limb we necessarily would keep. We got 3 nice limbs, this one going in this direction, that one in the back, and this one going out here. So I'm making,
But wait, wouldn't that give more stress to the plant?
no,
Okay.
less stress because she's got less work to do to feed these branches when she wakes up. This branch is growing across the center, so it's a branch we would prune off anyways. Here, I'm gonna reduce the length. So it's going to be a heavy prune. This is growing towards the shady side. So we're just reducing the weight, and snow is going to land on this. Wind is going to blow it around. So the less limbs we have, we're just making her tighter. I can't think of a good word. Stockier. She's now stockier. And we got our 3 limbs back. This was the one that was still standing, and the 2 here on the left was connected to the main branch, so it was laying flat. That's the black locust, and then damn cuts. All right, towards the tree instead of the gap between our Potomac and this beautiful Shenandoah. Little Shenandoah is growing, growing, growing. We can't wait for her to get bigger. And now we're gonna get these pineapple flavored strawberry plants into the ground in here. Get the fencing back up. We're good to go. Let's see what happens. This was just a quick ad hoc video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. We can follow this Potomac. You and I will follow this Potomac pawpaw tree over time, along with a boatload of other plants, about 450 different edible plants. I'm really pumped up that we got this girl back together. Take care of yourself. Take care of someone else if you can. Love you. Bye. I see you smiling over there, doing your bullshit. Look at this. There's a director. There's a director. Producer, director. Definitely not administrative person, that's for damn sure. Director. We'll leave it at director. Right.
If we get the bottom and this top, look at that insect there.
Way to stay steady though with having that fucking thing crawling up you. Okay, when you're ready, we'll continue. When you're up to it to fucking stop fucking around in here.
What are we doing? It's done.
Well, no. Well, is that done? Look at that gap right there.
Okay.
Are you, when you stitch up a patient?
That explains a few things.
Come on.